and I'm from Iowa State, studying to be a teacher. And one thing I like to do is I really like to watch movies. So let's go around and introduce yourself and say one thing that you like to do. Do you want to start?
Yeah, my name's Michelle, and I really like to draw.
That's very cool.
My name's Michelle too, and I really like to play with Barbies.
Awesome. Very cool. Okay, so today I'm here to help you guys learn about, or maybe practice measuring angles. Have you guys learned about that before already?
Yeah, kind of. I remember that.
Okay. Well, today our goal is to be able to measure an angle accurately with the protractor. So, do you guys know what this is?
A protractor.
Very good. Do you know what it's used for?
Measuring?
Measuring what?
Angles.
Good job. So it's a protractor and it's used to measure a two-dimensional angle on a flat surface. So when measuring an angle, we have to remember that this crossbar right in the middle, or this circle, needs to line up on the vertex of an angle. And a vertex of an angle is just where the two rays meet. So you have your two lines, and where they meet, right in the middle, that's your vertex. And then where the ray crosses the protractor, that's our measurement. You guys understanding? Any questions? Getting it? Good. Okay, so when we measure an angle, is this the right way? No. What about this way?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so I put that there, and I put my crossbar on my vertex and my bottom line going down, and where the ray crosses the the protractor, that's our measured angle. So what angle is that?
90.
90. Good job. Awesome. Let's try one more and try it again. How about one of you guys? Can you line it up the right way? Good work. Michelle, what angle is that?
70.
Good job, guys. Awesome. So, what do you think we can do if it's not on a whole number, or exactly on a number, but we want it to be? So what if it was like a decimal, like 0.3? What could we do to make it a whole number?
Could you round?
You could round. Very good, Michelle. Awesome. So, if we round, is there a rule with rounding? Do you guys remember that? Yeah. If it's 0.5, do we go higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher, yeah. So, when we're measuring an angle, we want to round, we have to make sure that if it's 0.5, we go up, and if it's less than 0.5, we go down. So let's do an example with that one. We have it lined up the right way. What's that measurement before we round, Michelle?
Like 36.1.
Good job. And what would we round that up to or down to? Down.
To 36.
Very good. Awesome. Let's try one more. This one's kind of bigger.
No.
No.
Can you help her?
132 point.
Almost there.
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Good. Yep. It's hard to get it exact sometimes. But, okay, so then what would that round up or down to?
Down to 132.
Very good. Good job, guys. Awesome. So now we're going to get a little more practice, but we're going to do it together. So, I'm going to pass out these to you guys. Don't do anything with them yet. You'll each get your own. And what we're going to do is when I pass out the markers, I want everyone to trace their angle, just like right along. I'll have rulers for you guys if you want to get it really exact. But just trace along your angle, but don't let anyone else see your angle because it needs to be a secret for this activity. So, here's your rulers. your markers and just go ahead and trace right over that line to make your angle the color of your marker.
Do we have to do the full line?
You don't have to if you don't want to, but it might make it easier to measure. Good. Is everyone done? Awesome. So now, trade that angle that you just traced with someone else who had the same color marker as you. Very good. Now, here are your very own protractors, and I want you to measure it and write your answer on this Post-it note, but don't let the other person see it because we're going to compare them later. So measure these on your own, and then write the answer on here, but try and keep it a secret. You both get yours? Don't let anyone see. Good. Okay, now trade back, but keep your Post-it note and measure that one and write that answer down. Are we good? Good. Okay, now look at your answers that you got. If they were in decimals, round them to the nearest whole degree. But if they weren't already, then compare with your partner and see if you got close to the same thing.
I messed up.
Were they different?
I messed mine up.
You messed yours up? What do you think you messed up?
It's smaller than the angle that I used the wrong number.
Oh, so you went on the other side of the protractor and did the lower one? Okay, so let's see. Michelle, can you help her out and see how you're supposed to line it up?
What I did was this way.
Mm-hmm. How did you know that it was this top number and not the bottom number? Or it was the bottom number and not the top number?
Yeah, because this looks like it's less than 90 degrees.
Right. So you knew that it couldn't have been 120?
Yeah.
Very good, guys. Awesome. So that was our little extra practice. So I'll take these from you guys. Can I have this one? Very cool. And then, lastly, we're going to complete a worksheet just on your own so I can check and make sure you guys are understanding stuff. And then we'll go over the answers together at the end. But right now, just work on your own and try and do your very best.